Have you ever wondered how much an asphalt paver operator really earns in the USA? These workers operate the massive machines that lay down the blacktop you drive on highways, city roads, airport runways. It's intense, hot, and precision-driven work. But the paycheck? That's the real surprise. Entry-level operators can make around $20 to $25 an hour, but experienced union-backed pavers can push up to $35 or even $40 an hour, especially during peak construction season. That's $70,000 to $90,000 a year, sometimes more with overtime. It's dirty, demanding, and often overlooked, but for those who can handle the grind, paving roads leads to a seriously solid paycheck. This isn't just construction, it's the weird hustle that keeps America rolling.